often do you think about tuning up your AC unit? Probably never. But our HVAC systems run hard in Arizona, and it's important to have an expert to keep the system running properly. This is ABC 15 Home Pro expert Eric Bryan. He is the owner of Precision Air and Plumbing, and he is here to tell you what to look for in a complete AC tune-up.
Yes.
Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Especially now, why is it important that we get regular tune-ups for not only our AC, but our heating systems?
Well, I mean, you said it right in your intro. These systems run extremely hard in the Arizona summer. We live in one of the hottest climates in the country. You would never pack your family into the vehicle and head off on a vacation without having that vehicle serviced. And these air conditioning units are about to take on a pretty hard journey called the Arizona summer.
That's right, and it's long, it's hard,
It is
hot. Explain for people who've never maybe budgeted for this,
Sure.
What should they expect to pay every year to keep that system running efficiently and to avoid repair costs, because that's where the expense comes in, right?
I think people generally, Susan, really underestimate the value of a good tune-up. The air conditioning unit's out of sight, out of mind. People don't think about it until they come home one day and it's not working. Spending $250 to $350 a year in annual maintenance on your AC unit is going to prevent future breakdowns. It's going to help the performance of your system. There are items that need to be taken care of on an annual basis with these air conditioning units.
All right, so that's what I want you all to understand, because you said there's a difference between an inspection
Yes.
and a complete tune-up. What is the difference?
Well, that's a great question. I mean, you see advertised all over town tune-ups, air conditioning tune-ups for $59, $69. They're really just inspections. And I think where customers get confused is they call a company to get a tune-up. They think they're going to spend $59, and then the company's saying, well, you need a coil cleaning. You need to drain and flush your condensate line. You got a run cap that's out of tolerance, and now they've got a $300-400 bill, and they weren't expecting that. At Precision, we circumvent all of that with a complete tune-up for $159.95. We clean your condenser coils, we drain and flush your condensate line, we give you a permanent washable filter, up to a pound of Freon. We get your system, we physically get our hands dirty and get that unit in the very best condition that it could be put in for going into the summer. Over $680 in retails, all for $159.95.
Wow, and we should do that yearly.
Absolutely, every single year.
And if we do get Precision Air, you can come out and do an inspection,
Yeah,
right?
well, we advertise a $59.95 inspection only, but I don't recommend customers do that. I mean, you want to get the mileage for your money, right? And very rarely do we run into any air conditioner that doesn't need some general maintenance items. So homeowners should expect to spend a couple $200 to $300 on those items annually to keep it running. So with Precision, $159.95, you're getting $680. All those things that the other guys sell you on top of the tune-up is all included in ours. There's no gimmicks, no tricks. You know exactly what you're getting.
And it's such a peace of mind, right? When you know,
Yes.
guess what? When I turn on the AC,
It's gonna work.
It's gonna work.
Yes.
And it's gonna blow that cool air that
Absolutely.
we need. You mentioned it. There's a lot of folks out there. You have a lot of competitors
We
in
do.
this industry. What sets you apart?
Well, we were nominated for the Better Business Bureau Toward the Word for Ethics this year. We've been voted the #1 ranked AC company in the state from Ranking Arizona for over 10 years. We treat our customers like family. We do the job right the first time.
Customer satisfaction is very important to you, isn't it?
It's absolutely the one thing that we pivot everything we do on. We're a very customer-centric focused company, yes.
Yes, awesome. Well, thank you so much. Get that tune-up before it's too late. Thank you so much, Eric. And here's the best part. He has a special offer for all of you. If you are one of the first 25 callers right now, get Precision Air's complete tune-up, normally $159.95, for only $100. Call 602-FIX-MY-AC. That's 602-349-6922. Or visit precisionairandplumbing.com for more information. Got home projects? Follow Precision Air and other businesses that can help you. You can find our list of experts at abc15.com/homepros.